Welcome back. It's time now for hot picks in biotech. This year, the NASDAQ Biotechnology Index has underperformed the broader NASDAQ by about 35%. However, my next guest remains bullish on select stocks. David Nierengarten is senior analyst at Wedbush, and he joins us now from San Francisco. David, thanks a lot for joining us. Generally speaking, what do you look at? What do you look for in a biotech stock?
There's lots of things, but generally look for, clinical, scientific validation for their pipeline programs. I look at more small cap and mid cap development stage biotech companies. So science and clinical evidence of activity for their pipeline is really important for me, along with, of course, the management teams and commercial viability of the product candidates. But that's first and foremost is science and clinical validation for the pipeline for what I look at.
Okay, let's go to one of your picks in the sector, Anap Bio, ticker symbol ANAB on the NASDAQ. Tell us about this company and why you like the stock.
Sure. So their lead program is looking at rheumatoid arthritis readout, phase 2 readout in February next year. It's really a newer class of therapeutic candidates here. It's called a PD-1 agonist, a little bit different from other biologics in the space. We think they have the best in class. The stock got hit recently on Lilly discontinuing their program, but if you really dig into the data, Lilly's candidate was probably, inferior to Anaptys's candidate based on preclinical data. And I think that Anaptys has a shot here at showing real activity in this indication of rheumatoid arthritis in February.
Am I correct in understanding that Humira is the giant of this sector? It's a biologic used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Is that correct?
Yeah, Humira and generally the TNF alpha inhibitors, that's the class that Humira is in, is the dominant biologic class here. Of course, there are other small molecules and generic steroids and stuff that are also used to treat rheumatoid arthritis. But, in the later stages or more severe cases, biologics are the best option in the space. They do have liabilities in terms of side effects and, long-term immune suppression that hopefully this class, the PD-1 agonist, can avoid, and Anaptys's candidate can show, good efficacy and good safety.
Okay, let's move to number 2, Apogee Therapeutics on the NASDAQ, APGE.
Yeah, so they're looking at, they have a relatively rich pipeline of autoimmune and anti-inflammatory drugs, but the key to really the thing that's going to move the stock the most by far is the phase 2 readout for 777 is their candidate number in atopic dermatitis. And that'll come mid-year. This is an antibody that's targeting the same target as Ebglyss, which is recently approved for Lilly, except it's likely to be dosed once every 3 to probably even once every 6 months, which is obviously a great win for patient convenience. The market leader in the space currently is Dupixent, which is dosed every 2 weeks. So clearly, a once every 3 to 6 month injection would be favored by patients. And it's a huge market. The market is for Dupixent alone is in the multiple billions. Overall, atopic dermatitis is 10, 15, $20 billion and growing over time. So any entrant here to the marketplace, even a new one with advantages, will have a potential for blockbuster sales.
Okay, and number 3 is Beam, ticker symbol BEAM, Beam Therapeutics on the NASDAQ.
Yeah, no, this is a little bit more sciencey, but it's developing a gene editing therapy. So a one-time potential cure for a rare disease called AATD that affects patients in both liver and their lungs. They should have first in human data in the first half of 25. What happens a lot of times with these gene therapy genetic medicine stocks is that they really have a disproportionate move, or I shouldn't say disproportionate, but a significant move on first in human data. And I don't think Beam will be an exception here. I think Beam will have significant upside when they report those first few patients who've been treated and hopefully cured of this disease in the first half of next year.
David Nierengarten, thank you a great deal for your insight on hot picks. Those top picks, hot picks from David Nierengarten, again, are Anap Bio, ticker symbol ANAB, Apogee Therapeutics, APGE, and Beam Therapeutics, BEAM, all trading on the NASDAQ market site. Thanks a great deal to David Nierengarten for his insight on top picks.